Okay, this is our backyard. We're upstate New York right now. And we're about to leave tomorrow, but we got a hair scramble video tomorrow. Or coming soon. We did it already. We got a video of it. And that will be really muddy. It's cool. Fun. We'll have more videos coming soon. Yeah, this is where we ride a lot. Most of the year we go up here in the summer. I don't see it on here.
You don't see what? Yeah, it goes dark.
Oh. Yeah, you should check out Ren Racer's channel, subscribe, and just... I have other mic'd up videos. The one from Dade City is really funny. Right now I'm on a KX85, put retro graphics on it. Okay. That's my mom, dad, grandpa, then that's my dad. Oh no, not my dad. Okay. You're gonna have to show me that.
What?
Can we do that real quick? Because I don't really know it anymore though.
What do you want to do?
The Enduro Trail.
I can't hear you.
Enduro Trail.
I'm saying you don't have to wait for that if you don't want
to. Oh. Okay. This isn't really what we're riding today, but this is just a hill climb I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna just keep doing this, waiting for my grandpa and grandma and mom and dad. Well, not dad, but my mom and brother, Cal, and go check out his channel, but mine's better. Okay, I gotta go back up. Taking a detour. I gotta wait for them. I don't have to, but I still am gonna. It's just like we're going on Lavion's trails, the guy that owns this. He's really nice and lets us ride a lot. He rides quads though. And we call this the Indian Trail because the guy used to have signs that said Indian Trail this way and stuff. Alright, good.
To the tower.
Okay. We're going up this oddly fast. He said the challenge. Oh, maybe he means the hill climb we made last year. Oh, the tower. This is the tower trail, so we go on this one. I didn't want to go up that. Tower trail. This one's fun, but we don't usually go through it this fast. I don't know, I want to do a pivot. Okay, I'm gonna stand up. William. Okay, now we're back on the Indian Trail.
Go ahead, you lead.
Okay. We're gonna go to the mud trail first. It's not really that much mud anymore, but it used to be. These trails aren't too hard anymore. They used to be a little hard, but I wasn't that good. I'm trying to pop a lot of wheelies through this stuff because it's really rocky up here. I think everywhere past Pennsylvania it's rocky. I'm gonna stand up a lot. I'm gonna go actually to the mud trail. Not the extreme trail. I'm gonna go to the Muddy's Loop one. So we gotta go straight. Oh, little whoops. Nah, I don't really want to go over. It used to be like a track, a little track, but now it's kind of just like a muddy loop also, but and by the way, there will be more videos, I think, because we're thinking about going to Kerm and Bone Valley in Florida. So, keep you updated. is the Muddy's Loop starts. And it comes out over there. Come on. I'm in between first and second on this trail. On the other trails, if I'm going fast, I'm usually in between fourth, third, and slower turns, second if I need to. This puddle's unusually weirdly deep. Well, why did I say two things? It mean two different things. But yeah, the person that owns Lavion, the guy that owns it, his kids ride four-wheelers through this, so it's extra rutted up, but it's kind of easy. It's fun, but kind of easy. There's a really big puddle coming up. Actually, I don't know. Can we go that way or no?
You want to try it?
I could try it. What?
You want to try the logging trail? What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go?
I want to do, I'll do a couple more and then do this one.